Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to uninstall app updates not showing. So sometimes if you want to uninstall the application updates, there is not all the application after update you can uninstall the updated or you can revert the updates. So for example, here if you go to the Instagram and tap app info, there is no two dots or three dots at the top of your screen, and there is no how you can uninstall the updates. Just uninstall these apps. So and Google Chrome, you can go to the app info, you can uninstall update. As you can see, there is two dots or three dots at the top of your screen. You can uninstall update of this Chrome. So to help you to uninstall the update, you can go to a app management, app list, and tap three dot of your screen and tap on show system. You can scroll down and try to search the software updates. Here we go. There are two software updates. This one, software update. You can try to force stop the two software updates, and you can even clear data or clear cache. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.